You left that one late.
I know, what a special day to be involved, and thought we did not our best football at times, but we were very solid, great game plan, and then you've got the likes of Bailey who can pop up with a goal. So very professional, well drilled performance I think tonight.
When did you know you were playing?
It's kind of Joe hurt himself yesterday, and sort of this morning I had a meeting with the gaffer, and he told me, and there's nothing really said. Just says you play and you know the role, and I came on against Cyprus, went down to 10 men at home, so just a joy. After missing out on the last squad, after not being selected, it was nice to be able to be out there and be part of a winning team, and hopefully cement my name in the squad.
You thought you'd scored?
Yeah, I didn't. I had my arm on him, but I don't think it was a foul. It's more just trying to stop him coming back towards me. I thought. Don't think in league football, I don't think it had been given, but yeah, sort of the European referees can find little things like that.
Now, Dave, we might not sleep much, but how will you sleep knowing that Sunday, one win will get you to France?
Exciting, eh? We've all said in there, it's absolutely delighted with the victory, but we've got to be very professional now, get a good sleep tonight if we can, do the recovery right, and then get ready to prepare for the Israel game, and then hopefully finish the job.
Fans will expect the party Sunday.
Hopefully, yeah, but so we've got to be professional about it, a good performance, and so the lads here are such a great group, such a professional group, and the way football's going now, you can't afford to take your eye off the ball, so I don't expect anything else than a really good performance in Cardiff.
Is getting over the line the hardest part?
I suppose so. I think coming here tonight and winning 1-0, it's just an absolute magnificent result for Welsh football, and you look at the history of us coming here, we have struggled at times, so just to come here and get such a massive result, it's really important.